Hello, beautiful souls. I am Awakened Soul, and today we're going to be reviewing BTC, setting it up for our next trade, and we're going to be looking at the market. 2 for 1 tonight. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing is setting your range, starting off on your weekly. I like to use my pivot highs and lows to give me exact numbers, prices, where the highs and the lows are located. So this would be our weekly low, our weekly high, because we have confirmed a higher high here. So, I mean, there's no need to mark those. Let's go down to our daily. Within our daily, you also want to mark your daily range. You have your low, you have your high, and that's it. This is what we're going to be focusing on today. But within the daily, once your range is set, you want to draw some trend lines from highs to lows. Let's see. I need to zoom in for this. Actually, let me change the color. It bothers me. Because for you, our ranges are green, so our daily trend lines should be green, right? The little things. All right, so now, perfect. So what a move, right? That volatility is amazing. But within this break or this trend line, we want to get a Joe target, a daily target. And this will be my target here based on the 1-2 touch, and then it's the lowest price in between. So we have not hit it yet. And of course, if just like we have a bullish target, you want to get a bearish target just in case, because in the end of the day, the market will do whatever it wants to do. So this would be my daily trend line. This would be my next daily target. Beautiful. Okay, level to level. Yeah, we could set more here, but let's just focus on price action, where price action is located now. So I have my daily range, I have my daily targets, I have my daily trend lines. Now let's get our daily POC, and that is using your VRVP indicator. Hold on. There's another one by DGTRD. That's really good too. This. Sometimes I pull both of them up just to confirm. So daily, this is our point of control. Wonderful. We're just going to mark it. And we mark it just to, our point of control is going to tell us or show us where the possibility of the trace coming back to. Okay, so let's turn off our indicators. And the perfect. All right, looking cute. Let's go down to the 4-hour. Within the 4-hour, we're just gonna focus on our contraction area. Okay, so remember the way the markets move. We have a contraction area here. We have a trend phase contraction area. We have trend contraction area, right? Trend. This is our new contraction area. So this is all we're going to be focusing within the 4-hour. No more, no less. Let's get ready for next play. So within the 4-hour, you want to set your 4-hour range. So let's go ahead and you could turn on, sorry, your highs and lows again to help you find your highs and lows. Let's change the color. I'll do blue. And if you zoom out, you can see that even with this major break or this big candle that came down yesterday, you can see that we're still within the range. So it makes your perspective change definitely when you have a nice range here. So if you don't recall, my confirmation to take a short will be the 12 and the 26 EMA turning, flipping. And even though price action is right under my 26 EMA, the 12 is still above. And just like right here, this is a great example. Price came down, it played right under the 26 EMA, but then boom, it went right back up. So I have that confirmation, but let's say it does turn, it does break the 22,295. My next target will be just based again in a Joe target. Let me change the color. This would be my target. And sometimes it's not about, you know, getting the top or getting the perfect entry. It's about being in the right side of the game. So our trend line break, wonderful. Our EMAs have not crossed, and our higher low has not been broken. So we're still waiting for this higher low to break to the downside. You can set an alarm for a confirmation. Okay, within my 4 hours. So this is my bearish scenario. What is my bullish scenario? Well, the fact that I have a daily target up here, right? And I want to show you something. Sorry, Pivot. I'm going to turn on my higher high, lower low indicator. And again, we're just focused on this contraction phase. I'm going to go to a smaller time frame. And when I have this indicator on, it just helps me mark nice trend lines to show me what kind of shape pattern it's making. So I'm connecting my highs here, forming that resistance. And I'm connecting my lows here. So within this range, we have a flag forming. And yeah, this flag could either break to the upside or break to the downside, right? Perfect. So if we also could get a measure move from the flagpole, right? So if this could play out, wow. It's so funny how, I'm telling you, sometimes just, so what is this horizontal line? This horizontal line is my weekly range. So we could definitely go to a double top on the weekly range at 25,300s. Just based on a measure moved of this flagpole. That could be a play. Or of course, you know, we could definitely just come down and get that 21,345. And that's how you set your next trade. I also, and I forgot to share this, I also check my RSIs to see if I could find any divergence, any oversold, or any overbought. And let's see, just low and lows. Let's see, and in the 4 hour, if I could find any divergence here. Down, and well, this looks like some divergence, does it? Maybe, maybe, maybe. Doesn't hurt if we try. Nah. This is higher, this is lower, this is lower, this is higher. So it is divergence. Let me move this chart. And I just want to show you how it looks. And I don't open my charts till I actually come and just record, and I just go with the flow. So I apologize for, you know, not having everything perfectly done before I record. But you see how price is going a little bit up here, and this came down. That is divergence. So this could be a possibility sign of price continuing to the upside. And again, if you look at your RSI, you can see how it's been bought, right? So it's in your sight to move to the upside, but you can't always count on that. So it's just another confluence that could possibly play out. Okay, so now that we're here, so we got your 4-hour targets to the downside. Set your alarms, right? At your lows, at your highs, and just play the game. Do everything with love, and wish you the best.